In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert currency in Wise. To get started, sign into your Wise account and make sure you're on the home page. This is where you can see your available balances and quickly access the currency you want to work with. Once you're there, find the currency balance you want to convert from and select it. This will open that specific balance so you can manage the funds inside it. After opening the balance, click Convert. Wise will then guide you through the conversion screen. First, select the currency you want to convert from. In many cases, this may already match the balance you opened, but it's always a good idea to double-check so you avoid converting from the wrong currency. Next, choose the currency you want to convert to. This is the destination currency where your converted funds will appear. After that, enter the amount you want to convert. Take your time here and make sure the amount is correct, especially if you're converting a large sum or working within a specific budget. Once you've entered the amount, Wise will show you the exchange rate. Review this carefully so you understand the rate being applied to your transaction. Right after that, check the conversion fee. Wise typically makes this very clear, which helps you know exactly what the service will cost before you move forward. You'll also see the amount you will receive after the conversion. This is an important step because it confirms the final amount that should arrive in your destination currency balance after fees and exchange rates are applied. If everything looks right, click Continue. On the next screen, review the conversion summary. This is your final chance to confirm all the details, including the source currency, the target currency, the amount being converted, the exchange rate, the fee, and the final amount you'll receive. If everything is correct, click Convert or Confirm to complete the transaction. Now, wait for Wise to process the conversion. In most cases, this is quick, but processing times can vary slightly depending on the currencies involved. Once the conversion is complete, return to your balances page. Finally, verify that the converted funds appear in the destination currency balance. This confirms that the conversion was successful and that the money is now available in the new currency. Thanks for watching.